Welcome to the Servicetitan Guide for Beginners. Today, we'll explore how this powerful tool can transform the service industry. Let's get started by setting up your Servicetitan account and navigating your dashboard. Now, we'll take an in-depth look at the key features of Servicetitan, including scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing. In this segment, I'll guide you through creating and managing work orders step by step. Next, let's explore how to track and maintain customer relationships using Servicetitan's management tools. Learn how to set up marketing automation campaigns and effectively track your results. Discover how to utilize Servicetitan on the go with its mobile application. Now let's delve into the reporting and analytics features to help you improve business efficiency. Every system has its challenges. Let's discuss some common difficulties and troubleshooting tips for new users. To wrap up, let's recap what we've learned today and point you towards valuable resources for further learning about Servicetitan.